am drenched. So I just got out of work and I needed to get gas, so I came to a gas station nowhere near, well, on my way home, but like on the other side. And there's a huge storm that's hitting us right now, and I was hoping that I was gonna make it home before the storm, and I'm not, because I'm here stuck in the storm. Yeah, it's coming down like hard. So, fun fact, well, not a fun fact, but a fact about me, I hate driving in the rain. Gets me nervous, gives me anxiety, and I definitely will not be vlogging myself driving home in the rain. Okay guys, it's time to get, it's coming and going, but before it really hits, because it's gonna come really hard, I need to get my ass home. Okay, so I am a little bit halfway to my house. Not even, I'm probably still like 20 minutes away, but the rain has kind of stopped, so it's a good thing, but it's still really nasty outside, and I'm hoping to make it before it gets even worse than what I'm overhearing. What's happening. Alrighty, so we have to make a quick stop at Walmart because I need dog food. Jokey doesn't have any more dog food, and while we're there, we're gonna get some bread. What did I do with my keys? Did I just stick my keys in my purse? I'm gonna show you guys really quick what's headed our way. My way, yeah, my way. Let me show you. Do you guys see that? It's coming. It's coming. Look how black it is, guys. It's gonna storm cats and dogs. Okay, so I'm gonna get a bottle of wine for the storm. I know what you're thinking. Get like a flashlight, but no. We're gonna get a nice bottle of wine to help us out for the storm. What do you guys think? Chardonnay, Merlot. Where's Chardonnay? Or should we get beer? Decisions. You can't beat that price. Okay. Back to dog food. Which one should we get for Jokey? Decisions. Okay, we got Jokey's food, we got bread because we're gonna make sandwiches, and got wine, and it still hasn't stormed. So, headed back now to my car, and I'm like literally like across the street almost, so it's not gonna be that bad by the time we get to the house, take everything out, and take Jokey out for his 20-30 minutes. We're gonna have to make it like short, because if it starts raining, then we're stuck. So let's put everything in the trunk. Oh, I am like so refreshed now. I took a nice shower and I feel good. And it was funny because I'm about to make myself a sandwich, and I noticed that that's exactly what I also made myself to eat 2 days ago, I think it was. So yeah, that's what I do when I'm lazy and I don't feel like cooking anything. I mean, come on, please tell me I'm not the only one. Honestly. My coworkers, my family, everyone was just kind of like, you need to get home before it starts storming. And I'm home. Where's the storm? Where is it? Where's the storm? Storm? Well guys, we have a tornado warning. So it's really like storming, guys. It is like crazy outside, like literally. It's raining really hard.
Right now, fingers crossed that indeed it is, because this was a dangerous situation as this thunderstorm was rotating. We will continue to update you here as I come back on